Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're spotlighting what we consider the best ultralight compact 40 degrees Fahrenheit sleeping bag currently available. The Coleman Kompact 40 degrees Fahrenheit sleeping bag. If you're planning a camping trip, heading to a festival, or simply want a quality bag for sleepovers and guests, you'll want to stick around for this one. Let's dive into what makes this sleeping bag such a standout. First off, temperature rating. The Compact is designed to keep you warm in temperatures as low as 40 degrees Fahrenheit. That makes it ideal for cool weather adventures in spring, summer, and fall, especially for those who want something lightweight without sacrificing warmth. Thanks to Coleman's Coletherm Max insulation, the bag achieves impressive heat retention with less bulk. That means you get the cozy warmth you need without being weighed down. Now, speaking of weight and size, this is where it shines. The Compact 40 degrees Fahrenheit packs down smaller than traditional Coleman bags. It comes with a compressible stuff sack that uses side straps to cinch the bag into a compact, easily packable size. When fully packed, it measures just 8.7 by 8.3 by 15.7 inches. Perfect for stashing in your car, backpack, or gear closet without hassle. Let's talk comfort. Coleman includes a few of their patented features here that elevate the experience. First is the comfort cuff design, a soft, cushioned edge around the head opening that adds a cozy touch right where it matters. Then there's the Thermolock draft tube, which runs along the zipper to reduce heat loss and trap warmth inside. You'll stay toasty without that annoying cold draft sneaking in. Zippers can often be the downfall of a good sleeping bag, right? They snag, they jam, not with this one. Coleman's zip plow system literally plows fabric away from the zipper as you close or open the bag. That means smooth, snag-free operation every time. Whether you're rolling it up in the dark or setting up camp after a long hike, that small detail makes a big difference. Another great feature: roll control. It's a simple yet effective design that helps keep the sleeping bag straight as you roll it up. Anyone who's ever fought a lopsided, crumpled bag knows how frustrating that can be. This thoughtful touch saves time and effort when you're packing up. The rectangular shape gives you extra wiggle room compared to a mummy-style bag. It's designed for one adult, and the overall shape strikes a good balance between comfort and compactness. And yes, it's machine washable, because let's face it, things get messy outdoors. Even with international shipping fees, it's a great deal for the features packed in. If you're a camper who values lightweight gear, or if you're just looking for a reliable, cozy sleeping bag for guests or backyard camping, this is a phenomenal pick. It doesn't overpromise, but it definitely overdelivers. That's a wrap for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next gear breakdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.